Alright, and welcome back on the channel. So today we're back with a new video, and I welcome you all on this channel. And if it's your first time on this channel, you are highly welcomed. And on the channel we share apps that can help you to secure connection and extra protection when you are online. So in today's video we're back with a new video, and in this new video we're gonna share with you new VPN app. It will be able to secure connection, add extra protection when you are online. So when you reach on Google Play Store, so you open Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps, and then you search for Air Tunnel VPN. Scroll down a little bit, the app will be there. So before using any VPN app, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And also please make sure to read VPN terms and conditions, and also you don't violate them. And lastly, don't make a mistake and forget to read your country laws, local laws. Make sure to read your country local laws regarding VPN usage, and make sure to follow them. So this is the app. Open the app to do some settings, and when you open the app it will take you to its home screen where the customization begins. So make sure to wait patiently as the app takes you to the home screen. And when you reach on the home screen, you're required to do some settings. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, comment in the comment section where you need help. Don't forget to subscribe. And the first setting is tap on updates. The app will start check for available updates, and after updating the app, it will update its configurations, and it will provide you with the latest settings configured within it. So the other setting is you require to pick a server. So you tap where you see auto server, then you can either pick auto or you can pick any presented server. For today's video, pick auto. This is because the app will automatically pick the best performing server in your region. So after that, you're required to pick a connection method. So for today's video, we are picking the all country UDP. So this is because UDP is super fast, and UDP can secure your connection when you are online. And also, if UDP is not working for your country, tap here in the search bar. You can search for your country name and it will be presented to you. You'll be able to pick it. So for today's guide, we are just using the UDP. So let's pick UDP. UDP is fast, and in case your country supports it, this option will definitely work for you. And the other setting is required to add on time. So where you see remaining time, you tap right here and you follow the prompts to add on time within the app. And after adding time within this app, you'll be able to secure your connection for a long period of time. And the app, in case it runs out of time, it will stop working. So you make sure to utilize this button. So to ensure the fast and secure connection, definitely you tap on this start button and give this app a few seconds. After giving this app a few seconds, the app will definitely be connected, and as you can see right here, the app is now connected. And that's how we set up Air Tunnel VPN with UDP all country settings to get a fast and a secure connection when you are online. Please don't forget to subscribe.